topics in the drone and aerial cinematography community, with leaks, prototype sightings, insider chatter, and speculative breakdowns suggesting that DJI may be preparing either a direct successor known informally as Avata 3 or a more radical evolution that many are calling the Avata 360. And this uncertainty alone has made the upcoming release far more compelling than any previous Avata launch, because instead of a predictable incremental update, there is now genuine speculation that DJI could be redefining what consumer FPV flight looks like moving forward. Across FPV forums, Telegram leak channels, Reddit threads, and social media platforms, discussions continue to split between two possible paths. One focusing on a refined Cinewhoop-style FPV drone built for speed, stability, and cinematic capture, and the other pointing toward a hybrid FPV platform that integrates 360-degree video recording, immersive reframing, and advanced AI stabilization, potentially blurring the line between traditional FPV drones and action camera ecosystems. And while none of this has been confirmed by DJI, the sheer consistency of these leaks suggests something major is in development. Historically, the Avata series earned its reputation by making FPV flying accessible, safe, and durable for both beginners and experienced pilots, and when the original Avata arrived, it reshaped the FPV space by offering ducted prop protection, intuitive controls, robust crash resistance, and a stabilized camera system that allowed users to experience FPV without mastering manual flight immediately. While Avata 2 built on that foundation with stronger motors, improved image quality, better flight efficiency, and refined controller support, but expectations have now shifted significantly, with modern FPV pilots demanding higher top speeds, longer flight times, cleaner low-light footage, stronger transmission reliability, cinematic color profiles, and smarter autonomous features, all of which has fueled intense speculation about what Avata 3 or Avata 360 could deliver. One of the most discussed rumored upgrades is the camera system, with multiple leak sources suggesting DJI could finally introduce a 1-inch sensor into its FPV lineup, a move that would dramatically elevate dynamic range, noise control, HDR performance, color depth, and low-light clarity, putting the drone in direct competition with premium action cameras like the GoPro Hero series and Insta360's flagship models. And if this proves accurate, it would mark a major turning point, as a larger sensor would allow FPV creators to capture cleaner shadows, richer highlights, more cinematic motion blur, and professional-grade footage suitable for commercial work, documentaries, and high-end YouTube content, especially if DJI pairs it with advanced codecs, higher bitrates, log profiles, and expanded frame rate options such as 4K 120 FPS or higher. Performance rumors also point toward a noticeable speed increase, with whispers of top speeds approaching or even exceeding 140 km per hour, which would place the drone among DJI's fastest FPV-capable platforms. And when combined with redesigned propellers, improved aerodynamics, and optimized motor efficiency, this could result in sharper cornering, faster acceleration, smoother dives, and more stable high-speed tracking shots, particularly valuable for cinematic FPV pilots capturing chase sequences, automotive footage, and dynamic landscapes, while additional reports suggest DJI may have reduced vibration levels, prop noise, and airflow turbulence to maintain image stability even at maximum velocity. Battery technology is another major focus of speculation, as leaked documentation and insider discussions hint at a higher capacity intelligent battery potentially exceeding 3,000 mAh, which could translate to estimated flight times of 25 to 30 minutes depending on flight mode, an impressive figure for an FPV drone given the power demands of high-speed flight and real-time video transmission. And if DJI introduces a more efficient power management system alongside faster charging or improved hot swap capability, it would significantly benefit creators who need longer shooting sessions without constant battery interruptions, especially beginners who value extended practice time. Transmission upgrades are also heavily rumored, with many suggesting that DJI could deploy a refined version of its O4 digital transmission system or an entirely new protocol offering reduced latency, stronger penetration through obstacles, increased resistance to interference, and greater overall signal stability, which would be particularly impactful in urban environments, forests, and indoor filming locations, and compatibility with next-generation FPV goggles seems almost guaranteed. Featuring higher resolution displays, wider field of view, improved eye tracking, and lower motion to photon latency for a more immersive flying experience. From a design perspective, leaked renders and prototype descriptions suggest DJI is maintaining the lightweight, ducted Cinewhoop philosophy that defines the Avata series, while potentially refining the frame for better airflow, improved cooling, and enhanced durability, possibly through reinforced ducts, improved shock absorption, and reworked motor placement to increase longevity. But if the Avata 360 concept is real, the design could shift dramatically to accommodate dual lens or multi-sensor camera placement, which would fundamentally change both the appearance and functionality of the drone, allowing pilots to capture fully immersive footage that can be reframed in post-production, opening new creative possibilities for FPV storytelling, virtual tours, and social media content. Safety and intelligent flight features may also see a substantial upgrade, with some leaks claiming DJI could introduce full 360-degree obstacle sensing for FPV flight, a potential industry first that would significantly reduce crash risk and make FPV flying more approachable for newcomers, while enhanced return-to-home logic, smarter subject tracking, gesture or motion-based control refinements, and improved fail-safe systems are also rumored, aligning with DJI's broader strategy of creating safer drones that comply with increasingly strict global aviation regulations, particularly in regions such as the United States and European Union, where remote ID, geofencing, and data compliance continue to evolve. Pricing speculation suggests DJI may aim to keep the base package within the familiar range of roughly $800 to $1,000, while expanded fly more combos with extra batteries, upgraded controllers, or bundled goggles could push pricing into the $1,200 to $1,500 range, especially if premium hardware like a 1-inch sensor or a 360-degree camera system is included. And while early rumors pointed toward a mid-2025 announcement, that window has passed without confirmation, leading more reliable sources to suggest a late 2025 or early 2026 release timeline that better matches DJI's historical FPV product cycles, further complicated by leaked prototypes that appear to show two distinct designs, reigniting debate over whether DJI is developing two separate drones or simply testing different concepts for a single flagship release. And until DJI officially reveals its plans, the FPV community remains divided. But one thing is certain: whether the future arrives in the form of a high-speed Avata 3, a revolutionary Avata 360, or two distinct products serving different creative needs, DJI's next FPV drone is shaping up to be one of the most important and closely watched releases in recent drone history. And as leaks continue to surface and anticipation grows, the question remains open: is DJI about to redefine FPV flight once again, or will it surprise the industry with something no one fully expects?